Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to open your Uber account in France. Now, I'm not going to beat around the bush. As long as the country you are in or you are visiting has Uber or Uber is available, like it is in France. France is Uber friendly. It has Uber, right? No matter where you're from, as long as you have an Uber account and you go to said country. So, for example, if you're from the U.S. and you're visiting France or Paris, right? The moment you step on it, since Uber uses your GPS or your location, right? Because you need to use your, it's approved, right? You allow it on your device. It's just gonna adapt to France's pretty much map and locations, right? So when you're in France, all you need to do is again enter pickup, right? And by default you're gonna immediately find uh your local locations or your locale, which is pretty much on France. So all you need to do is, for example, right, we do that, right? For example, you're gonna go to here, right? It's just gonna show you. So as you can see, this is France, right? And yeah, you can do that again. It automatically, your GPS automatically adjusts as long as you have signal, right? As long as you have a connection. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.